So Google AI Studio has become much more powerful now. With the latest updates, it can connect directly with Google Maps, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and other Google services. It can also generate complete full-stack applications with front-end, back-end, database, and integrations from a simple prompt. But what really caught my attention is its ability to build advanced websites and business applications with very little effort. So in this video, I'm going to build a complete AI-powered travel agency website inside Google AI Studio. So turn AI into your paycheck. Welcome to Pro AI Income, where AI meets real profits. The website will include destination listings, hotel and tour bookings, Google Maps integration, AI-powered trip planning, Google Workspace connectivity, and even an admin panel for managing bookings and customers. So if you think this will be useful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. So here I am inside the all-new Google AI Studio. As you can see, the interface has changed quite a bit, and Google has added many new capabilities inside the Build section. And for this project, I'm going to create something a little more advanced than a simple website. I'm going to create a complete AI-powered travel agency platform that can help users discover destinations, book hotels and tours, plan trips with AI, view locations on Google Maps, and manage everything from a professional dashboard. The prompt I'm giving Google AI Studio is quite detailed because I want the app to feel like a real business-ready product, not just a basic demo. I'm asking it to create a premium travel website called Voyago with destination pages, hotel listings, flight information, customer reviews, a complete booking system, Google Maps integration, AI-powered itinerary generation, Google Workspace connectivity, and even an admin panel for managing bookings and customers. So I've added the prompt and started the generation process. Now, Google AI Studio is analyzing the requirements, planning the application structure, creating the pages, setting up the components, and connecting all the features we requested. One thing I really like here is that Google AI Studio doesn't immediately jump into building the UI. It first tries to understand the project and then suggests a few design directions for the application. And, as you can see, it has now generated several design concepts. Each one has a different visual style, color palette, typography, and overall feel. This is actually a nice addition because earlier we didn't have this level of design guidance built directly into the workflow. For a luxury travel platform, I want something that feels premium, modern, and professional, so I'm going to select this design and continue with it. Once a design is selected, Google AI Studio starts applying that style across the entire application and then continues generating all the pages, layouts, features, and functionality. One interesting thing you'll notice that Google AI Studio is asking for permission to access services like Google Sheets, Google Docs, and other Google Workspace tools. This is part of the new integration system, which allows the app to directly interact with these services when needed. I'll skip the waiting part here because it can take a little time depending on the complexity of the project. And here we are. The application is now ready, and honestly, this looks far more advanced than what most AI website builders generate. Right from the homepage, you can see the premium luxury design that Google AI Studio has created for us. The dark theme, modern typography, smooth animations, glass-style effects, and high-end travel branding make it feel like a real commercial product rather than a simple demo website. The landing page is focused on helping users discover luxury travel experiences. We have featured destinations like Amalfi Coast, Kyoto, Bora Bora, Cape Town, and more. What's interesting is that these sections are connected together, so when a user selects a destination, the listings, search results, and even the map update automatically. Scrolling further, we can see the Travel Discovery section. Here, users can browse luxury tours, premium hotels, and executive flights. Every listing includes ratings, pricing, package details, and booking options, making it feel like a complete travel marketplace. Now, let's move to what is probably the most impressive feature of this entire application, the AI Concierge and Trip Planner. Inside this section, users can simply describe the kind of trip they want. They can choose a destination, travel style, budget, and preferences, and the AI will generate a complete day-by-day itinerary automatically. It can even visualize the trip on the map and create a structured travel plan within seconds. Before we review all these features, we first need to sign in. Since this application uses Google authentication, I'll simply click Sign in with Google and connect my account. Google AI Studio has already configured the login system for us, so users can securely access their bookings, saved itineraries, and personalized travel data. Once the login is complete, we'll be able to test all. The platform also includes a dedicated booking section where travelers can view all their hotel reservations, flights, and tours in one place. They can manage bookings, review confirmations, and even access previously generated travel plans. And finally, we have a complete admin dashboard. This allows travel agencies or business owners to monitor reservations, approve bookings, manage customer requests, view platform statistics, and oversee the entire operation from a single interface. What really stands out here is that Google AI Studio didn't just create a beautiful front end, it created the complete ecosystem around the business idea: the customer-facing website, AI trip planning system, booking management, Google integrations, cloud storage, authentication, and the administrative backend all working together as one platform. Now let's actually test one of the most exciting features of this application, the AI Travel Planner. So I'm going to the planner page, and let's create a real trip. For the destination, I'll choose Amsterdam. The duration will be 3 days. The number of travelers will be 4 people. And for the budget level, let's go all out and select the ultra luxury option. Now I'll simply click Generate Plan and let the AI do its work. And this is where things get really impressive. Within just a few seconds, the AI has created a complete luxury travel itinerary for us. Not just a few generic suggestions, but a detailed day-by-day travel plan with activities, locations, recommendations, dining experiences, travel routes, and even estimated costs. As you can see, it has planned the entire trip from start to finish. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, luxury experiences, private tours, Michelin star restaurants, wine tastings, VIP museum access, hotel recommendations, and much more. Honestly, this feels less like a travel website and more like having a personal luxury travel consultant available on demand. But the really powerful part comes next. Because this application is connected with Google Workspace, we can actually do something useful with this itinerary. For example, I can simply click the email option, and the application will generate a professional travel itinerary email and send it directly to my Gmail account. So let's try that. The email has been sent. Now, if I open my Gmail account, you can see that the itinerary has arrived successfully. The complete travel plan, recommendations, and details are all available inside the email. And that's not all. Let's test the Google Docs integration as well. I'll simply click the Export to Google Docs button. Within a few moments, the application creates a properly formatted travel document directly inside my Google Drive. Instead of manually copying and pasting everything, the entire itinerary is automatically organized into a professional document that I can save, edit, share, or even print. This is honestly one of my favorite features because it shows the power of the new Google AI Studio integrations. The application isn't just generating content, it's actually working with real Google services and moving information between them automatically. And that's what makes projects like this feel much closer to real-world business applications rather than simple AI demos. Now, let's test the booking system as well. So I'm heading over to the Explore section where all the destinations, hotels, tours, and travel experiences are listed. Let's say I want to book this luxury package. I can open the details, review the pricing, ratings, and information, and then simply click the Book Now button. As you can see, the application is taking me through the complete booking flow, just like a real travel platform. I'll enter the required details, confirm the reservation, and submit the booking. And there we go. The booking has been created successfully. Now, if I move over to the My Bookings section, you can see that the reservation is already showing up here. The application is storing the booking details, displaying the reservation status, confirmation information, and keeping everything organized